Getting value of enum on string conversion. I have the following enum defined. Now the printed value is. Instead, I wanted the enum's value to be print. What can be done to achieve this functionality?
You are printing the enum object. Use the .value attribute if you wanted just to print that. See the programmatic access to enumeration members and their attributes section. If you have an enum member and need its name or value, you could add a __str___ method to your enum, if all you wanted was to provide a custom string representation. Demo.
I implemented access using the following. Now I can just do print d at x to get 1 as result. You can also use self.name in case you wanted to print x instead of 1.
If you are going to print value using fstring, then you can inherit your enum from both enum and str. This way you can have both value and name of the object. For instance, outputs. Inheriting just from enum will always give a full qualified name. Output. This is opposite to if you not inherit from anything, where you will get value instead of name. Output. That is why inheriting from both str and enum you are getting both full qualified name and the value.
The most straightforward dunder method to use is __repr__ instead of __str__, since it will also allow you to print it in that way also in lists. Edit. Since it will still print d.x if you use print d.x, I think a better way to achieve this is by adding the __str___ method also.
In case you want to compare your enum members to int values, a better way to do it would be to extend int enum. In this way you can compare values of your enum against integers without explicitly calling .value. For more information you can check this part of the Python docs, enum comparisons.
If you want to watch your still off here in the bottom.